political parties and party system in India. So, today's topic is political parties and party system in India. So, let's see first the introduction. Political parties are the lifeline of Indian democratic system because modern democratic system means it is understood as representative form of democracy, and here the political parties plays a vital role. The party system was first emerged in USA because universal adult suffrage was prevailing there. Political parties are indispensable to any democratic system. It plays very crucial role in electoral process. Political parties and the party system in India have been greatly influenced by cultural diversity, social ethnic, caste, community and religious pluralism, traditions of the nationalist movement, contrasting style of party leadership and clashing ideological perspective. So now we'll see features of party system in India. India has neither a single party nor bi-party system. Here a multi-party system operates like national political party, regional political parties and local, which continuously engaged in struggle for power. Perhaps or it is considered that Indian National Congress, established in 1885, is the first organized political party of India. The party system in India may be characterized by the following features. So now let us discuss about the features of political party system. First we will see a multi-party system. First feature is a multi-party system. As a land of social pluralism, India has been it is natural to have multi-party system in India. For example, even before independence, there were four major political parties, that is Congress, Muslim League, Hindu Mahasabha and Communist Party. And after the dawn of independence and because of the adoption of parliamentary form of government, several regional parties emerged like Assam Gana Parishad, Shiromani Akali Dal, DMK, JMM, Telugu Desam Party, Republican Party, Janata Dal, Janata Party, etc. Second feature is lack of strong opposition. India lacks a well-organized opposition party and it is essential for success of parliamentary democracy. Main function of opposition is to check the shortcomings and limitation of ruling party, and it by which the ruling government is bound or by which the ruling government become more responsive to public opinion. Then the third feature is that personality cult. Indian party system values the role of leader and stand organized around it. Some of the example of political party organized around the charisma of a leader are Congress India, Congress Jagjivan Ram, Janata Party JP, Janata Dal A, Biju Janata Dal, etc. Means here the Indians they give much importance to the charisma of a leader, or on the basis of the charisma of a leader or charismatic leader, they form the political parties. When the when party ceases to have charismatic leader, the party starts declining. Then fourth feature is that similar ideology. Almost all political parties committed to uphold democracy, secularism, socialism and decentralization. And all political parties, they have similar ideologies. They all committed to democracy, secularism, socialism and decentralization, and most of them are in favor of privatization and liberalization. Hence, because of lack of ideological differences, party members do not hesitate to switch their loyalties from one party to another. Next feature is emergence of regional party. Several regional parties have grown in India. For example, Tamil Nadu has become stronghold of the DMK, followed by AIDMK. Punjab is dominated by Akali Dal. Assam has been ruled by Assam Gana Parishad. Jammu Kashmir is governed by National Conference. Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, BJD in Orissa, Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh, JMM in Jharkhand, Kerala Congress in Kerala, Manipur National Front in Manipur, etc. The next feature is registration of political parties. Since December 1988, there has been an existence in the provision for registration of political parties. By the amendment of People's Representation Act 1951, it has been laid down that it is essential for each political party to be registered with the Election Commission, and a new party should apply for registration within 30 days of its inception. The party which is failing to register itself is not considered as political parties, and the decision on Election Commission is final regarding registration, and the Election Commission also grants them the party symbol. Next feature is ever changing. Due to splits, defection, alliances and counter-alliances, the party system in India is continuously changing. For example, Congress experienced 4 big splits in 1969, 1977, 1995 and 1999. Similarly, in 1964, Communist Party also suffered split and emerged as Communist Party of India and Communist Party of India Marxist. In 1979, the Janata Party suffered into split and Janata S and Lokdal RJD BJD emerged. And conclusion, multi-party system prevail in India because of the land of diversity. Several national and state party plays a very crucial role in the Indian democratic system. They are the power broker, always engaged for struggle for power. Without political party, survival of democracy is impossible.